Hello, today we're going to do some curve stitching. So my favourite ones. I love doing these. You can so creative with these, trying different things, trying different patterns. You can start off with a basic one, you can make them smaller, bigger, put colour into them. They can be quite exciting. A lot of people say, well, what's this got to do with mathematics? Well, it's all about mathematical rules. It's connecting points on lines and curves with straight line segments. That's the rule, and you follow certain rules. So like 10 goes to 1, 9 goes to 2, 8 goes to 3, and so on. And each segment we do are called envelopes on here. It was invented by somebody called, or discovered by somebody called Mary Everest Boole in about the 1800s. So it's been around a long time. So let's make a start on these ones. I'm going to just start with a 10 by 10 cross. So I'm just going to mark off 10 and then go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. On my 5, 1, I'm going to go up vertically. So up there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 10. So there. I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you can see a little bit better. What's there? Okay, so what we do, the rule on this one is we're going to go from the top point to the first. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5, 0, 2, 0, 1 onto here. 0, 1, 0, 5 to 1, 0. Okay, so we're going to join up. I've put the pencil on here. The first one. Move on 1 and move down 1. Move on 1, move down 1. Move on 1. There. And you can see these lovely curves building up. It's like they're all curving round. They look like it's all like going into perspective into the back and they're disappearing into the distance. And either look like it's going concave or coming out of the page, depending on how you see it. So we're going to add a little bit of shade on here. Now you can do whatever you want on these ones. You can have different colours into these segments. I love this pattern where you do a checkerboard design, and you've got to be very careful to get this right, so you go on miss one. Okay, so I've done the pattern, and as you'll notice, around here I went wrong. And it happens, sometimes it happens, and the whole point of doing this is not to get sort of worked up about it. Oh my god, I'm going to have to start all over again. Hello Minnie, my cat's come to see me. And just going to work out which is the wrong one. So if I'm looking here, that's right, that's right, that's right. So it's this one here, so I'm just going to carefully rub that out and redefine it. Onto there, so it's drawn into here. And you can experiment. You can do ones next to each other. You can do smaller ones that make into the whole segments. You can use coloured ones like Harlequin type patterns on here as well, so I'll make them look a bit different. And you can also join them up together, so you end up with like circles in the middle as they come together, so you end up with the curves coming up. Like this sort of thing as well. With each one coming round to each place. So, curved stitching. There you go.